Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Today we are focusing on how to make a Tron transaction. A year where Tron continues to shine in the crypto landscape. With its high transaction speed and low fees, Tron is not just a player. It's a leader of decentralized applications. So let's get started. First, set up your wallet. First thing first, you need to Tron compatible wallet. Popular option including Tron Link and Trust Wallet. Download the app from your device app store. Create an account and securely backup your recovery phrase. This step is crucial for keeping your funds safe. Step 2. Acquire TRX token. Next, you will need to buy some TRX token. You can purchase them from exchange like Binance or ChangeNow, which allows you to buy without registration or hidden fees. Simply select TRX, choose your payment method like a bank or a card, and complete the transaction. Step 3. Initiate your transaction. Now that you have TRX in your wallet, it's time to make a transaction. Open your wallet app, navigate to the send section, enter the recipient's Tron address, double check this to avoid any mistakes, and specify the amount you want to send. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Before hitting send, review all details carefully. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Thanks to Tron for its robust network, your transaction will be proceeded in seconds with minimal fees, often near zero. Step 5. Track your transaction. After sending, you can track your transaction using a Tron block explorer like TronScan. Simply enter your transaction ID and wallet address to see the status in real time. And there you have it. Making a Tron transaction is straightforward and efficient. This is with its ability to process over 2000 transactions per second and an impressive market presence. Tron remains an attractive option for both new and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech insights. Happy transacting.